Let's move on to the next part of our book exercise, which is related to grammar portion. So the first question is related to modal verbs. The question is, which of the three sentences containing a modal has the same meaning as the original one? So first is, they are able to speak English well. इसके नीचे हमें 3 options दिए हुए हैं. We have to choose appropriate option with correct modal verb. So it will be they can speak English well, because can हमें ability show करता है. Second is, Ali is not allowed to stay out late. Ali may not stay out late. Ali might not stay out late. Ali need not stay out late. So it's Ali may not stay out late. Do you have to clean the kitchen? Can I clean the kitchen? Must I clean the kitchen? Should I clean the kitchen? So इसका हो जाएगा must I clean the kitchen. Are you able to drive a tractor? Can you drive a tractor? Must you drive a tractor? Should you drive a tractor? जब ability की बात आती है तो we'll always use can. Fifth is, we must not swim when the red flag is flying. We need not swim when the red flag is flying. We should not swim when the red flag is flying. So we must not swim when the red flag is flying. Sixth is, she is not able to read Chinese. जिसमें आ जाएगा she cannot read Chinese. Seventh is, do you think we are allowed to park here? इसमें आ जाएगा do you think we may park here? Eighth is, you don't have to do this exercise. इसमें आ जाएगा you need not do this exercise. Ninth is, we have to stop when the traffic lights are red. We must stop when the traffic lights are red. Must वहाँ पे use किया जाता है जब strong obligation हो. 10th is, am I allowed to ask a question? So इसका होगा may I ask a question, because you are asking for permission. Let's move on to next exercise, and it is fill in the blanks with appropriate modal auxiliary verbs in parentheses. Parentheses में आपको कुछ auxiliaries दी गई हैं, आपने उनको blanks में use करना है. So first is, it is possible that Christopher Marlowe blank have written plays for Shakespeare. तो इसमें हम use करेंगे might. Second is, the daughter asked her mother if she would go out. Third is, speak slowly lest you should awake the child. Fourth is, children dash take tea at night. Children must take tea at night. Fifth is, she came here so that she dash meet her child. She might meet her child. Sixth is blank, her soul rest in peace. So it's a very common expression. May her soul rest in peace. Seventh is, they blank not read this book for this topic. They need not read this book for this topic. Eighth is, you blank to go to Peshawar tomorrow to attend the meeting. You will have to go to Peshawar tomorrow to attend the meeting. Ninth is, if you stayed here, you dash not face the problem. You would not face the problem. 10th is blank, she had worked hard, she would have passed. Should she had worked hard, she would have passed. 11th is, he blank be given warm welcome if he wins the tournament. He will be given warm welcome. 12th is, children blank not go to the roof at night. Children dare not go to the roof at night. Third is, she dash read a book while watching TV during her school days. She would read a book. 14th is, he dash pass this time as he has worked satisfactorily hard. She may pass. 15th is, she said that she dash prepare dinner herself. She would prepare dinner herself. 16th is, Khan blank to be at home. Khan ought to be at home. Ought के meaning हम should की sense में लेते हैं. 17th is, they blank to play cricket every day when they were in the college. They used to. 18th is, blank, you please help me lift this box. Could you please help me lift this box? 19th is, blank that I knew her. Would that I knew her. And last is, which is 20th, anyone blank write a poem on this topic. Anyone can write a poem on this topic. Let's move on to next question, which is also of modal verbs, and it is filling in the blanks with the modal from the list below. So we have three modal verbs: can, could, be able to. Now we have to choose from these and fill in the blanks. First is, I don't think I will have much work next week. I think I'll blank take a day off. I will be able to take a day off. Second is, excuse me, blank, you tell me where the bus station is? Could you tell me where the bus station is? Third is, they haven't blank solved the problem yet. They haven't been able to solve the problem yet. Fourth is, she blank play the flute and the guitar. She can play the flute and the guitar. Fifth is, when we were younger, we blank watch movies all afternoon. Now we think it's boring. We could watch movies all afternoon. So we are done with this question as well. Let's move on to next one, which is filling in the blanks with the modal from the list below. Again, we have different modal verbs, three modal verbs which are must, might, may, and we have to choose from this. First is, oh no, I think they blank be hurt, but I'm not sure. I think they might, या आप may भी use कर सकते हो. Second is, they look just the same. I'm sure that boy must be his son. Third is, that looks delicious and I'm so hungry. May I have some? Fourth is, he is running very well. I think he may win. Fifth is, that looks like fun. Blank, we paint some eggs with you. May we paint some eggs with you? So let's move on to next question, which is filling in the blanks with the modal from the list below. Now we have two of them. First is need and the second is have to. So let's see. First is, wow, my house is a mess. I really blank clean a bit. I really need to clean a bit. Second is, professor, do we blank finish all the exercises on the test? Do we have to finish all the exercises on the test? Third is, the judge said that he will blank make a formal apology to the public and television. He will have to make. Fourth is, if you want to camp in the park, you blank pay for a permit first. You will have to pay for a permit first. Fifth is, I have worked too long. I blank take a break. I need to take a break. Let's move on to next exercise, which is filling in the blanks with the modal from the list below. Again, we have different modal verbs. First is should, second is ought to, and then had better. So first is, he dash go inside or he will get a terrible sunburn. He should go inside. Second is, I think we dash play. What do you think? I think we ought to play. Ought to or should का meaning same होता है. Third is, he dash stop drinking so much coffee or he will make himself sick. He had better stop drinking so much coffee. Fourth is, she has a beautiful voice. She should record a CD. Fifth is, his cell phone is ringing. I think he ought to answer it. या आप should भी use कर सकते हो. He should answer it. With this, we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah, we'll be meeting with some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is me, Maha, your English instructor, signing out.